This
That's right here, Crown. This is rejecting Is this on the first page? It's mandatory, right? Not mandatory.
if you want to go to trial and not accept a plea agreement, then listen to your attorney and do what he's telling you to do.
Okay, so basically it's completely off the table right now.
And there it is, the courtroom crossroads. The judge is giving him a choice. Take the plea deal and lock in a sentence, or roll the dice with a jury and risk decades. Think of it as choosing between a guaranteed punch to the gut or stepping into the ring blindfolded.
Please,
Yeah.
right there. And there.
What's all this?
Information, man. They've been gaslighting me for 5 weeks straight. Been doing my best to get to the population going on and try to stay out of trouble. They all up on the microphone.
All right, this is, stop talking. This is cause numbers 24 DCCR 1500, 24 DCCR 1614, 1615, 25 DCCR 0436, and you're Traylon Hill. And Mr. Hill's charged, go through this, in cause number, the first one, 1500, with obstruction or retaliation.
Listen closely, because this list is not just long, it's brutal. He's facing obstruction, aggravated assault, robbery, burglary, each one stacking years like bricks in a prison wall. At this point, he is not just a defendant, he's carrying a tower of charges waiting to crush him.
Do not do that again. Who's in here for him?
My grandmother.
All right. Ma'am, can you move over to that back corner so that he cannot see you and be distracted? Thank you for being here. Mr. Hill, you just don't know how to behave, do you? Saying you're sorry doesn't matter. This is nonsense. Since we were here last time, I don't even know how many more pages of the nonsense that you've been doing in our jail.
It's gaslighting. It's solicitation.
Okay.
And I've been trying my best to stay out the way. I'm getting bullied over the microphone. I have inmates there encouraging the inmates to harass me, calling me punks, alpha, profit, plenty of things. Gangster play, mad,
Yeah.
border. Man, I'm just trying my best to stay out the way.
Okay.
I got a job. I got a home. An actual home. I don't stay in apartments or anything like that. My mama actually owns rent houses. And you know what I'm saying? I'm actually trying to take care of the family business. My dad's 76 years old.
Yeah.
I'm trying my best to get out the way.
Well, it doesn't look like you are.
Yeah, it's tough in that facility. It's a war zone.
So one of the time you're running back and forth, playing like a little kid in the day room.
I work out.
Who made you do that?
I'm a boxer. I work out.
Are you allowed to do that in the jail?
In the rec room, yes. Ma'am.
Okay, so are you allowed to do it in the other room?
I have a one-man cell in the facility.
Are you allowed to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
You are?
I'm not running freely throughout the facility.
Uh-huh.
But I do work out a lot every day.
So who made you dash the floor with water?
Everyone in that facility has a water
Who
bottle.
made you dash the floor with water?
I'm not the only one. No, that was
Listen
me.
to my question.
No one did.
No, but you did it on your own,
Yeah,
right?
it was
Nobody's
okay.
stop talking when I'm talking. I'm going to ask you some yes or no questions.
Okay.
So nobody's making you do those things, right? Nobody bullied you into dashing water, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, hold on a second. What about why do you continue to make comments to the female officers out there? Why do you think that's okay after you've been told not to do that?
Sitting in the cell all day long, man. When I see them women, I get hurt. I'm a little boy. I admit that.
You're a lover boy.
Yes, ma'am.
So you understand that part of all of this trouble and you not being able to get your cases worked out is because you can't follow that rule.
Yeah, I hate that.
Did somebody bully you into being that way to those officers?
Did you catch that? He just admitted he's breaking jail rules because he's a lover boy. That might get laughs in a rom-com, but when a defendant says that to a judge, that's basically handing her the nails for his own coffin.
In a manner, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah?
When you're dealing with these stressful inmates, you know what I'm saying? I love to be around mama.
Okay.
Mama boy.
Judge, based on his Sunday night activity, I'm pretty sure there'll be a new case coming.
Yeah.
I've got to call into the investigator for the sheriff's department to find out when they'll bring that over. But I would ask them to go ahead and send these in for trial.
And we've already talked before about the fact that everything that's happening, a jury is going to know about all that. You understand that? Okay. And do you think that's going to help you or hurt you when a jury hears how you're behaving in the jail?
When it comes down to video footage and how I explain it, I think my efforts will be pretty good.
You think so?
Yes, ma'am.
You think, let's go through real quick before we do this rejection. And cause number 241500, you're charged with obstruction or retaliation. Is that a third?
That is a third
Degree felony, which means if you're found guilty, the range of punishment is between 2 years and up to 10 years. Do you understand? And cause number 24 DCCR 1614, you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And second degree felony offense, which means the punishment range is between 2 years and up to 20 years in prison if you're found guilty. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And cause number 24, DCCR 1615, you're charged with aggravated robbery, which is a first degree felony, which means if you're found guilty, the range of punishment is a minimum 5 years up to life in prison. Do you understand? And then in 250436, you're charged with burglary of a habitation, which is a second degree felony. The punishment range in that is between 2 years and up to 20 years if you're found guilty. Do you understand? I have here on the computer a plea bargain rejection that shows that the district attorney's office has made an offer if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty for a 10-year term in prison on a lesser offense of robbery.
Robbery and dismissal of the other charges.
You have every right to reject that.
It was an excellent deal, but
That's fine. I just want you to know that after today, I will accept no plea agreements. A jury is going to decide because I don't know that I even agree with this. So
This is wild. The judge offered him a deal, 10 years, with most charges dropped. For a man staring down life in prison, that's a golden parachute. But he said no. He would rather let a jury decide his fate. Risk taker or self-sabotager? What do you think?
today's the day. If you want to take it, fine. If not, you're going to trial. A jury will decide if you're guilty or not. And then if you are found guilty, that jury will determine what your punishment is. And is that what you want to do?
Are all these charges going to be on one trial?
They don't necessarily have to be because you've
Your
got
Honor,
three different dates.
Your Honor, the robbery and aggravated assault are the same offense day. I'd expect to try them together.
Okay, so what can happen is you will, it sounds like the aggravated assault and the aggravated robbery will be tried together.
Yes, ma'am.
It's important that you understand also if you're found guilty on those, then the state can also try you later on one or both of the other cases. If you're found guilty on those, because the offense dates are different dates, there is the possibility that any sentence that a jury gives you could be stacked or run consecutively. Do you understand? Okay. All right, we'll get it set for trial. Go back with the bailiff. Good luck, Mr. Burbank.
Thank you.
I don't know that I've ever been so mad at a defendant. Can't help it. Kevin Ross, Mr. Burbank.
I mean, you know, we started.
And Rob,
Yeah. It's going to keep on getting worse because the jury's going to. And there's no paperwork on Mr. Ross, right?
I do have a bond.
Oh,